Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook password in a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the three lines menu at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Account Center and tap on it. Now tap on Password and Security. Then tap on Change Password. Now tap on your account. Now you will see three boxes here. First, type your current password. Then set new password. Retype your new password. After entering the new password, tap on Change Password. Facebook may ask you to confirm your identity or log in again. Done. Your Facebook password has been successfully changed. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.